Hello, Feel Good, the podcast listeners. It's your girl, Malika Lee, here with a different invitation of sorts than our normal podcast posts. I have a workshop that I'm offering starting September 27th. And before I tell you a little bit about that, I wanted to tell you what I know about Feel Good, the podcast listeners, or what I believe I know, and why I'm sharing this workshop with you. One is that you are open to learning from other people, and whether you apply what you've learned from them or not, you're at least open. And hopefully in listening to these episodes that you've learned something and that somehow it's improved your life in some way. Number two, that listeners generally have a sense of intentionality. We're not going through life sleepwalking, but we're aware that there's other things going on. There might be challenges going on, and we're open to learning and maybe making conscious and intentional choices on how we navigate and having a form of agency in those experiences to the best of our ability. And three, spirituality. So there's something going on beyond the physical, maybe even beyond our understanding, that's a benevolent presence and force at work. So if I'm right, and that describes you, keep listening. For 4 consecutive Tuesdays starting September 27th, all on Zoom, I have a workshop coming up on A Course in Miracles. It doesn't matter how much you know about it or don't know. It's for all levels, although it is an introductory workshop series. And A Course in Miracles is a spiritual self-study curriculum that really has been like a catalyst in my life for quite some time. I was introduced to it in 2006, and I wanted to tell you about an opportunity to meet me up close and personal, and for not just to learn from what I'm sharing, but for me to also learn from you. So it's donation based. You can find out more on www.thefeelgoodinstitute.com/workshops. There'll be much more detail there and space for you to ask questions and or sign up. I look forward to learning from you, sharing some of my experiences, and growing together.